Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be going over how to create a professional looking portfolio on Canva in 2024. And if that sounds about right, then let's dive right in. Alright, so what you would need to do is to of course head over to canva.com, and from here you can sign up for a free account, or either way you can log into your account if you have an account already. That's basically that's what I will do because I have an account already. I'll click on login right here, and it should take me to the page where I should be able to log in. But what I will do is to log into my Google account. Now there is another way of doing this. You can click on go to canva.com slash login, and this should equally take you to a page where you should be able to log in. But either way, whichever you prefer using will work. So what I will do is to click on continue with Google because I have my account set up using Google, right? So alright, so from over here what you can do is to go under this one here that says website, and you will see some interesting, like really interesting templates to pick from. Like there's this one called with the portfolio right here, portfolio website, right? So that can really work. So what I will do is to search for portfolio, right? So creative portfolio, portfolio presentation, online portfolio. Like there are tons of portfolio looking right here. Let's see. So depending on what you actually want to go into, or what stack or what field you belong to, whether it's tech, business, or whatever, that will generally determine the kind of portfolio you're going to search for. I'll just search for, let's just see what we get. Right, portfolio website for graphic designer, portfolio website designer. Yeah, this one looks good. This one really is. Let's see. So let's just click on that and see if we will get anything wonderful, right? So yeah, this one looks good. Like it really it has this simplistic nature with the designs and all. This one equally looks good, right? So you can see the animation right there. Just if you hover on it, you will see the animation. So you can scroll through depending, like I said, depending on what field you belong to. You would need to search for a portfolio based on that, right? So yeah, that's basically how it is. And actually, right, so let's see which shall we. I really feel like going for this, but you can see right here, this is pro, right? This is currently pro. This is a free account. So what I will do is to apply a certain filter. So we'll just click on this all filters right here, and we have a good amount of filters. So I will look for where it says free. Let's just keep scrolling. Right, so price, we have pro, we have free. We'll just click on free and apply. Hopefully we get to see just the free ones, right? So so basically all these right here are free. They are free, and these are really professional looking portfolios. So depending on what you're actually going into, and generally what seems attractive to you and best describes or best presents your business, or your business ideas, or your brand, there are a ton of portfolios here, templates that will suit you. So yeah. All right, so after taking some time to go through most of the templates over here, I decided that this one would be an okay pick for me. So all you have to do is just click on it, and you will see similar templates to this one, right? So templates that are similar to this particular one, and currently it's not loading up, but that isn't really a problem. So what we will do is to click on this, customize this template right here, or you can save this, add this to your favorite by clicking on this star icon right here. So we'll just click on customize this template. All right, so here we are on the design canvas. As you can see, this template right here, we can customize it, and this template is specifically meant for photography. So like I said, you would need to check the templates to see if they suit what you are looking to do, or basically what your brand is all about, right? So that's basically that. So what I can do is to click on this text right here and change some things up. So I'll just edit the name like so. We can change the fonts. We can increase the fonts if that is something we're looking to do. We'll just reduce this one really good, and then increase this. Probably I'll just change the font style. Just click on this one right here, and we can change the font style. Let's see this. All right, so that's not really. All right, so that's kind of okay. Let's change the font. So there are a couple of ways to change the font size. You can click on the plus icon right here, or just change it manually. All right, so I think this should be okay. All right, so the next thing you would want to change, you can change this. So what I will do is to change this to, all right, so magic right. Let's click on it, and there are a couple of things that we can do. We can apply a voice, can add a something called continue writing. So I'll just click on this just so you see how it works. All right, so this is let's just try it. Let's just try it out, right? All right, so that's basically what it does. It simply takes the few things you've written or the little text you have and tries to continue writing, right? So that's basically what it does. So the next thing we can do, I'll just click away and click back on it, is to click back here, and what I will do is to click on this summarize right here. So it will just try to summarize this whole, yeah, so that's basically what it does. It tries to summarize the whole thing. So it generally depends on what you're looking to do. I think I'll just drop this right here and bring this, let's keep this here, bring this somewhere around, let's do, right, so let's just do something like that. Now it's a bit much, so I would like to reduce the fonts just a little bit, but too much. All right, so I think this should be sufficient. You can change basically everything here if that's something you're looking to do. I'll just get rid of this real quick. All right, so this looks a bit okay. You can click and drag to highlight everything, and I'll just reposition this a little bit. All right, so hopefully that looks okay. Just take this up a bit more. Right, so this looks a bit okay. All right, so the next thing is to change this image over here. So you can change the image over here. What we can do is to upload something. All right, so there is this background remover, but it's premium, so it won't work. Let's see. All right, so we can upload from these sources, or we can record ourselves or upload an image or video. So that's basically what I will do. All right, so this is our image right here. We'll just click and drop. Right, so this looks good. I can stretch it a bit if that is what I'm looking for, but I'll just leave it something like this, right? So yeah, so hopefully this makes a little sense. You can go you can customize these other ones, and there is an option to add other things like other elements. You can add other elements to this design if those are what you're looking to do, like arrows, buttons, lines, Instagram handles, things like that. Yeah, and you can equally add other pages. You can add templates. Let's add a new page, and we can do something like let's see, like this. All right, so we can do something like this and just add it to that other to the new page, right? So hopefully that makes sense, right? So go ahead, play around with this, and when you're done, you can preview this or publish website. So we'll just click on the publish website. So as you can see, currently we have 7 pages in total. I'll just zoom out a little bit so we see how the whole thing looks like. Right, so this is basically the whole page. So all you have to do is click on continue, and you would need to enter your name. So I'll just click on there are a couple of things I would need to add, like the about page, description. Right, so let's see, just take your time, add these, and let's just click on publish. And it's currently preparing my design. All right, so yeah, it's currently ready. I can click on this view website, or I can click on this and just copy this and share it. So I'll just click on that. Like I said, you can copy the URL of the page, or to the page rather, and you can share this link to just share it on your profile or your social media handle or something like that, right? So hopefully that makes sense. This was a bit of a long one. You can take your time to customize this further, and just the key is getting a template that actually resonates with what you're looking to do, right? So that is basically the key factor. And then you would need to customize that template to suit your brand, and then when you're done, you publish it and copy the link right there, and you can share that link, right? So that was basically it on how to create a professional looking portfolio in Canva. And the key is simplicity, right? So if this video did give you some tips or insight on how to go about the process, then feel free to give this video a like, and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorial, and I will see you in another video.